Happy belated birthday to you. Happy belated birthday to you. Happy belated birthday, dear Brantley. Happy birthday to you. Yesterday, on that bright, sunshiny day, was Brantley's birthday. Happy birthday, bud. And if you take a look at the month of May, we are going to be celebrating birthdays all the way till the end. We have Jackson's coming up at the end of the week. Eden and Deacon are going to celebrate theirs next week, and Niall the following week. So we got a busy month of May. Friends, Brantley celebrated his birthday on the 3rd. 1, 2, 3. What number comes after 3? Good. Number 4. Down across and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Excellent. Readers, come on up. Today is Monday. Good. Monday, May 4th, 2020. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow would be a live lesson. We are going to cancel our live lessons tomorrow on Tuesday, May 5th because of our t-shirt project that I need your guys' help with. Okay, so your families know more about the t-shirt project so they can let you know. We're going to work on that Monday evening, which is today, really tomorrow since we're filming, but so Monday evening and then Tuesday in the morning and early afternoon we'll give time for our t-shirt project there. So I won't see you on Tuesday for the live lesson. We will meet back on video on Wednesday. So if we come down here, our math skill that we are going to practice is addition. Fred, say that word. Good. One more time. Addition. Good. Addition means to add. When we add numbers together, good, they get bigger. And we use this math sign right here. What's the name of the sign? Good. Plus. Go ahead and skywrite a plus sign. Good. And skywrite another plus sign. Good. And what does plus mean? When you see a plus sign, what do you know to do with numbers? Good. Put them together, add them together, they're going to get bigger. So we're going to do some mental math that you can do in your head using addition. So it's going to be +1 problems, or it's going to be +2 problems. So in your head, you need to decide, do I need to jump up 1 or do I need to jump up 2? Okay, here we go. 6 + 1 equals. Good. Friend, 6 is in your head. You jump up 1 more. Our next number is 7. Good. The answer was 7. Let's do another one. 4 + 1 equals. Good. 4 + 1 more equals 5. Good. We're doing these in your head, so I want you to close your eyes. I want you to visualize or picture that number line. If we're at number 4 and we frog hop 1 more, we're going to be at 5. Good. Let's do another one. 8 + 1. Good, equals 9. 12 + 1 equals. Good, you guys are closing your eyes thinking of that number line. After 12 comes 13. That would be our next jump. Good. And last one, 18 + 1 equals. Good, friends, 19. I got up into the teen numbers there at the end. Good, so just practice some mental math there using, what is this math symbol called? Good, plus sign. Go ahead and skywrite another plus sign. Excellent. Our days in remote learning, keeping track with tally marks. And I think we've been doing okay. It's hard when we're not out here every day. We have 4 standing tall down here. So today, yep, we have to fall. And it's always the 5th one or number 5 that falls. So now Deacon is absolutely right. We can count by 5s now. Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Excellent. 30 is the new 10. Good, Brayden. So it is a 3 and a 0. 30 days in remote learning, and we are to May. We've made it to May, friends. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Okay. We're going to go ahead and get out our word games now. We'll finish up our word games and then take a little moving group break. So, some of our reading groups were working on reading compound words last week. So a compound word is two words put together to make a new word that also has a new meaning. Here we go. Upset. Good, upset. So friends, you get a chance to tell me each word by itself. Upset, then put it together in the clap. Upset. Here we go again. Eyeball. Good, our compound word is eyeball. Into. Into, good. Afternoon. Afternoon, excellent. Classroom. Classroom, good. Boy, I miss our classroom. Keyboard. Keyboard, good. Last one, tiptoe. Tiptoe, excellent. Let's turn this page. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the whole word. So I'm going to say the compound word, you're going to repeat it, and then we're going to chop our compound word, okay? Remember, a compound word is two smaller words put together to make a new word. Let's try the first one together. Backbone. Good, so our words are backbone. So we're chopping our compound word. Doorbell. Good, friends. Doorbell. Sandbox. Good. Sandbox. Bathrobe. Good. Bathrobe. Driveway. Good. Driveway. Those are our two chops. Blacktop. Good. Black top. Homework. Good. Homework. Of course, homework is work that you do at home. Excellent. Okay, let's do some substituting and then we will be done. Outboard. Good. Change out to skate. Good. Skateboard. Alex just got a skateboard for his birthday. Runway. Change run to drive. Good. Driveway. Basketball. Sorry, I need to give you the whole word. Basketball. Change basket to base. Baseball. Good. Ponytail. Change pony to pig. Pigtail, good. And Olivia's, that reminds me of Olivia's picture. Not her baby picture. She would have been a toddler at the time. She had her two pigtails in. Next one, cupcake. Change cup to pan. Pancake, excellent. We had those for breakfast this morning. Lifeboat. Again, lifeboat. Change life to sail. Sailboat, good. And our last one, Sunday. Change sun to birth. Yes, birthday. We've got all kinds of birthdays to celebrate in May. That's a good one to end on. All right, friends, go ahead, get up. Let's get ready to move.
Hey everybody, this workout is all about your upper body, and it's electric. Let's get going. Let's march. Come on. All right, we're going to do some boxers in a second when this chorus drops in. Let's go. Hey, you got this. Come on. To the side. All right, we're gonna sit down on an invisible chair. Everybody balance. Your legs might start to burn, but hold in there a couple seconds with me. Feel the burn, feel the burn, feel the burn. Side boxers, here we go. No pain, no gain. Come on, you got this. To the top. Reach the sky, reach the sky, reach the sky. Come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it. Hands up, hands up, hands up. To the side. Hey. Can you feel that? Can you feel that? Yeah. All right, everybody. We're going to start jogging. I want your heels coming up. Here we go. Ho, ho, ho. You're rocking this. Come on, come on. Push it, push it. Great job, everybody. That wasn't easy. All right, let's take a second and cool down. Breathe in and out. And in and out. All right, have an awesome day.
All right, friends, let's keep our letter naming fluency up. Go ahead and get your reading finger in at A. And I would like to hear A, apple, A. Good. B, bat, B. Good, friends. Keep it going. Good. If you made it to the end, you know what to do. Come on back up to A. Excellent. My friends, please point to the letter that says Qua. Good. We should be here. Name that letter. Q. Excellent. And the buddy letter? U. Good. Point to the letter that says Good. We should be here. Name this letter. F. Excellent. Point to the letter that says Ah. Good. I hear friends saying that's a vowel. You're right. What's the name of the letter? O. Good. Last one. Point to the letter that says X. X. Good. That's that K and S together. Name that letter. X. Good. All right, friends, go ahead and get your whiteboard and marker out. Keep that close enough there so you guys can see. Whiteboard and marker out. And yep, you're right. We are going to read in just a little bit. So we're going to get right into writing today. Friends, I say it, you say it. We're going to touch and tap the beginning, middle, and end sound. Okay, and then we're going to come back and fill in our letters. Here we go. Dash. Touch and tap. D, a, sh. Dash. Go ahead, writers. Good. Eyes up here. Go ahead and check your work. D, A, S, H was our digraph. Make sure your D looks like Mrs. Van Axe. Good. Dash. If you need to fix anything, go ahead and do that now. is our next one? Shed. Shed. Good. Touch and tap. Sh-e-d. Shed. Go ahead, writers. Make sure you've got nice, neat writing. If they're skyline letters, they should be tall. Okay, go ahead and check your work, writers. Sh-e-d. S-H-E-D. Shed. If you have to fix, go ahead. Good. Next one. I say it, you say it. Pack. Pack. Good. Touch and tap. A-k. Pack. Good. I hear some friends saying, oh, k was at the end. You know what that means. Go ahead and check your work. A-k. Pack. P-A-C-K, because it's at the end of one syllable after our short vowel sound. Good. If you need to make any changes, go ahead and do that now. Next word, tuck. Tuck. Good. Touch and tap. T-u-k. Tuck. Go ahead, writers. T-u-k. Tuck. T-U-C-K. Tuck. There's that C-K digraph at the end again. Good. Check your work. Go ahead and erase. And friends, I'm going to go ahead and put this one up here for you to read. Good. And I hear friends saying, uppercase letter, it must be a name. It's a proper noun. You are right. Whose name is it? Good. Jack. 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 Jack is one of our characters in our story today, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you that story now. It should look familiar. Okay, friends, together we're going to start up in the corner with our digraphs. Go ahead and be my echo. WH whistle, wha. CH chin, ch. SH ship, sh. TH thumb, th. CK sock, k. Good. All right, friends, you are up. Remember, once you get through your word list, check off a box. Do it a second time, check off a box. And last but not least, a third time and check off your box. Same thing at the bottom. Read the passage. A passage is a short story 3 times. Check a box after each read. Back up here at your first word. Go ahead, readers. Good job, readers. Remember, we got to keep our stamina up. So back at it. Don't let yourself get frustrated. Remember, we have our digraphs up here if you need to check a sound. Good job, friends. Way to keep that stamina up. If you have not quite got all your checks yet, remember you can always pause the video. Good job. I am proud of you. Way to look carefully at the whole word, sound it out, and make sure it sounds right. Good.
Think of a place where you know that there is a little peace, a little calm. At home, in your classroom, at a friend's house, in nature, at camp. Your body may not always be able to go to that place, but your mind can go there. Practice. Imagine that quiet place, that peaceful place. Picture what it's like to really be there. Can you see yourself? Can you feel your body there, in your peaceful place? Rest your hands. Rest your feet. Maybe let your chin drop, just a tiny bit. Be there in your mind. On the inside, you can find peace, no matter where you are. Peace out.
Animals in the Zoo by Alan Fowler. Why is a zoo called a zoo? Zoo is short for zoological, which means having to do with animals. A zoo is a place where people can see all kinds of living animals. Some of the animals are big, some are small. Some are fierce. Some are friendly. Some are shy. Some are show-offs. Some you will know. Some will be new. In some zoos, Different kind of animals are kept in different places. All the birds are in one area. Apes and monkeys are in a different area. In other zoos, animals live in places that are like their natural homes. Mammals, birds, and reptiles live together, just as they do in the natural world. A tropical rainforest building might have trees, ferns, a stream, and all kinds of rainforest animals. As you walk through the building, you feel as if you are in a real rainforest. Some zoos have a special area with animals that you can pet. Sea animals are kept in a kind of zoo called a marine park. At some marine parks, dolphins, killer whales, and seals perform in shows. Many baby animals are born in zoos. They are raised with great care. Zoo animals are given only healthy foods and in just the right amounts. That's why you should always obey the signs that read, "Don't feed the animals." Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the zoo book. Every May in kindergarten, we do something called the KinderZoo. And just because we are learning differently now, we don't want to take that opportunity away from you, kindergartners. So we are going to do our KinderZoo project virtual or through the computer. So to start your KinderZoo research project, research means to study. So you are going to choose one zoo animal. How many? Good. One. You get to choose one zoo animal to research or to study, so you can share that zoo animal and all the information that you learned about that animal with me and your friends. So again, you get to choose one zoo animal. Think of animals that you would find at the zoo or you could see at the zoo. It didn't have to be one from the book. That was just to get your idea, get some ideas going. And you could walk around your house, you could walk around your room if you have brothers or sisters in their room, taking a look at different stuffed animals to see like, oh, could I see a turtle? In the zoo, I could research turtles. Let's see here. Could I see crocodiles in the zoo? Or monkeys in the zoo? And it could be a plastic animal, it could be a stuffed animal, but choose an animal that you have and you are going to research it and you're going to build a habitat for it. Okay, remember habitat, we talked about habitats earlier in the year. A habitat is a home for an animal. So your job this week, so first you have to choose one animal, okay? That might take some of your time. You might choose one in the morning and then think, no, I want to do this one. But you have to choose one animal and stick to it. So once you pick out your animal, there is a Foursquare writing, okay? You guys know how our Foursquare is set up. So our topic, our main idea is going to go right up top. And it gives you a sentence starter. My animal is a turtle, leopard, lion, elephant, alligator, panda, okay? Whatever you decide, your topic is going to go and fill in your sentence starter up there, okay? Then it's time to research. Here are the questions that you need to answer when you study your animal. What is its habitat? So tell us about where your animal lives. What does it eat? What does it look like? Think of the animals I showed. I showed a monkey and a turtle. So what does it look like? Tell us what your animal looks like. And then at the bottom, you get to tell us one fun fact. So any fun, interesting information that you think is neat about your animal, you get to put in your last 4 square box. Okay? So the KinderZoo research project. They have to choose one zoo animal. They're going to research it. They're going to study it to find the answer to these 4 questions. What is its habitat? What does it eat? What does it look like? And a fun fact, something interesting that you learn about your animal. And then they're going to build a habitat. This could be an empty Amazon box. This could be an empty shoe box. It could be an empty cereal box. Legos, bricks, get creative. And you guys are going to make a habitat for your animal. Plastic containers we've seen. Trying to think of what else. Big poster boards. Let's see if anything else comes to mind. But I mean, you name it, and it can be like it's in the zoo with cages, or it can be its natural habitat. So those are all decisions that you get to make as the zookeeper. Okay. Have fun researching. I cannot wait to find out what animals you guys pick. This research is going to last all week. So tomorrow you choose your animal and answer 2 research questions, then you'll be halfway done. Or if you want to pick your animal, do the research tomorrow and spend the rest of the week building your habitat, that is fine too. Okay, but just by the end of the week, I want you to have all your research done. And by next Wednesday, I want you to have your habitat done so you can present it to me. And families have more details about dates and how to get that information to me in a separate slide on the dojo post. So have fun researching. Measurement. That's a long word. Let's count how many letters are in measurement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Skywrite number 11. Good. Friends, measurement. What sound is at the beginning? Good. Letter M, measurement. There are different ways that we can measure objects. We can look at their length. We can look at their weight. We can look at their height. We can look at the capacity of something. Today we are going to focus on our red measurement, and it starts with a W. So what sound are we going to hear at the beginning? Good. W. We're going to talk about weight. Weight. The weight tells us how heavy an object is. And of course the opposite of heavy is light. Good. So if your object is not heavy, it's going to be light. So when you're talking about weight or measuring weight, you are going to hear words like heavy, light, heavier, heavier, heaviest, lightest, lighter, and or maybe something is equal. What does equal mean? Good. The same. And now we've got this out, so we're thinking, yes, we were measuring weight with our pan scales in the classroom. So friends, I want you now to pretend like your body is a pan scale. So here you're balanced, here's the center, and then you've got a bowl over here and a bowl over here. Here's your scales. Okay, right now the scale is balanced or equal. Friends, I'm going to put an animal on this side and an animal on this side, okay? And your scale is going to tip this way. If it tips this way, what does it mean about this animal? Good, that it is heavier. Okay, this animal's heavier if this is the side of the scale that goes down. So what does that tell us about this animal? Yes, that it is lighter. Okay, go ahead and balance out your scales. Now I want you to, when I hold up an animal, I want you to picture the animal in real life. So what would the animal's weight be like in real life? So let me dig out our animals here. Let's start with a monkey and a bunny. A monkey and a bunny. And I know that this monkey is small, it's on a puzzle piece, but remember, you're thinking of the monkey in real life. Good, and this is a grown monkey. So we've got a monkey and a bunny. What's our scale gonna do? Show me with your scale at home. Excellent. Good, so which animal is heavier? Good, the monkey is heavier. So what does that tell us about the bunny? Good, don't tell me lighter. Put it in a sentence. The bunny is lighter. Good, okay, tip your scales back. Let's use some new animals. We've got a squirrel and a dolphin. Squirrel and a dolphin. Go ahead, get your pan scales ready. Squirrel, dolphin, what's going to happen? Yes. Okay, so which animal is heavier? Good, the dolphin. And which animal is lighter? The squirrel. Good, that's why he is up in the air. He was lighter. Okay, let's get some new animals out. Let's do a dog and a squirrel. A dog and a squirrel. What's going to happen? Put it on your scale. Good, friends. Our scale's going to tip this way because, tell me why? Good, Alex, the dog is heavier. And what does that tell us about the squirrel? Good, that it's a lighter, and I heard the boys use it in a sentence. The squirrel is lighter. Excellent. Let's take a look at the crocodile, the dolphin, and the squirrel. So we have a dolphin, a crocodile, and a squirrel. Which of these animals has the lightest weight? There's 3 animals. Which of these animals has the lightest weight? Good, friends. So which is the most light? That is going to be the squirrel. The crocodile is going to be heavier than the squirrel. The dolphin is going to be heavier than the squirrel. That means the squirrel is the lightest of those 3 animals. Good. Okay, here's what I want you guys to do. Either on your whiteboard or on a paper or notebook, I want you guys to make a pan balance scale. So we always started with like this triangle shape there. Okay, and then this would show good that our scale is equal or the same. This one, good, shows that this side is heavier. This one, good, shows that this side is heavier. So here's your job. I want you to draw one pan balance scale. Go ahead and draw one. And before you put your animals on, it might make more sense for you to think of your 2 animals. So if you're going to compare the weight of let me see here. If I'm going to compare the weight of a bird and a bird and a bear. I'm comparing a bird and a bear. This is definitely the heavier side. So what animal do I need to draw over here? Good. The bear. So there's my bear. And what's going to go up here? Excellent, our bird. And of course, my bird looks like the pigeon, yes. Okay, so it's going to be easier if you choose the two objects that you want to compare their weight. Then, once you make your scale, you'll have to decide, does my heavier one go here, or is my heavy side over here? Okay, friends, go ahead and snap a picture of your pan balance scale once you've chose two animals to compare their weight. Remember, the weight tells us how heavy an object is. Have fun. All right, families, it's that time for the KinderZoo. Most of our families have experienced a KinderZoo. They've been doing the KinderZoo at Fairless ever since I have been teaching there. I'm not sure what year this makes for the KinderZoo, but I'll have to find that out. But we did not want to have our COVID pandemic get in the way of KinderZoo for this class. So, what is the KinderZoo? It is a kindergarten research project. The children choose one zoo animal that they would like to learn more about and create a habitat. It can be like the zoo habitat with a cage, or it can be in its natural habitat. By next Wednesday, May 13th, I would like them to have their habitat complete as well as their research. There are 4 questions that they have to answer, and it's set up just like the 4 squares that they are used to writing. So the topic is, my animal is A. They need to fill that in with the name of their animal and then answer the following research questions. What is its habitat? What does it eat? What does it look like? And tell a fun fact that they found as they studied their animal. Families, once that 4 square is filled out, that completes the research part of it. If they want to turn it into a zoo book, that is up to them. But once they have their 4 questions filled out on their 4 square, that completes the research part of it. And then they just have to make their habitat, which is the next section. They can use a shoebox, Amazon box, milk crate. We've seen plastic tubs used. Legos are super popular. That would make a cool habitat. How should we send our child's work to Mrs. Vinack? I'm hoping on Wednesday, May 13th, I have a video of the zookeeper, your child, their habitat, and them telling their interesting facts. And it can go right in the order of their 4 squares. So they could start by telling us, my animal is a lion. It lives in the savannah. It eats, yada yada, and answer their other 2 research questions that they found. They can, if your child has their portfolio set up, you can go ahead and send a video through Dojo. If not, if you've been sending work through messages, that has been fine, but I don't think we can upload videos to messages. So you can go ahead and send it to my email, which is down here at the bottom, leah.manack@fairless.spark.org. That goes through the video. So let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy the research and creating.